Here's to the great ideas that never made it, that were dismissed,
ID not recognized,
erased, boxed out, or lost in translation. Here's to never losing a great idea again. Here's to Vibe. Vibe isn't a whiteboard, although it's just as easy to use. It's a real-world portal to your digital content and a window onto an endless canvas. A canvas that exists here, here, and here simultaneously. Vibe goes wherever it's needed, untethered from wall mounts and wires, to connect people in the same room, across campus, or across the world.
Hey Dave, this looks awesome. It might actually work.
Vibe lives where your team lives, in the office and in the cloud. So your great ideas never get lost. Brainstorm, design, review, plan, build, share, present. It's what Vibe was made for. Vibe. Here's to your next great idea.